Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing deliberately. Read the label now so you know dwell times and rate, then put on gloves and goggles and remove children and pets from the area. Shake the Ortho Home Defense thoroughly and test spray a hidden surface to confirm finish and odor. Once done, set sprayer to a fine mist and begin at the baseboard where insects travel most. Move immediately into the first few targeted feet. Don't waste time. Apply a controlled bead along cracks and crevices. Next, methodically treat the middle areas. Focus on baseboards, under appliances, behind toilets, and along carpet edges where insects hide. Keep the nozzle about 12 to 18 inches from the surface and use a steady sweeping motion. Concentrate into cracks and crevices with short bursts so you don't oversaturate fabrics. Make sure to avoid food, dishes, and baby items. If you accidentally spray a surface used for food, wipe it clean with soap and water after the recommended wait time. Finish by ventilating the treated spaces and letting surfaces dry for the label's recommended time, typically 1 to 2 hours, before allowing people or pets back in. Wash hands thoroughly and launder any clothes that contacted the spray. Store the product upright in a cool, locked area. If you still see activity after the recommended interval, inspect for missed entry points and reapply only according to label directions. Troubleshooting tip: if odor or staining occurs, ventilate well and wipe questionable areas with a damp cloth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.